Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the VC runtime 140_1 DLL missing error in Crimson Desert on Windows. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page. Download both the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual Studio redistributable packages. Even if you have a 64-bit system, you should still install both versions because many games need both files to run properly. After downloading, run each installer one by one. If Microsoft Visual C++ is already installed on your PC, you may see a repair option. Click Repair and let the process finish. Once everything is completed, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, open your antivirus or Windows security settings and temporarily disable real-time protection. Sometimes, security software blocks important game files by mistake. Then add your Crimson Desert game folder to the exclusion list so the antivirus does not scan or remove game files while the game is running. Next, verify the game files through your launcher. Open Steam or the launcher you are using, then go to your game library. Right-click on Crimson Desert and open Properties. Go to Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. The launcher will scan the installation and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Once the scan is complete, launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.